This is the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament in Pampanga. Welcome to the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Elimination Round, as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for the main event and game number 5 for our long weekend action. As we can see here, both teams here, we can see here Lendel Garcia, the best player yesterday, against Bayong, Porac, and the rest of the APALIT, I Love It basketball team. At makakatapat nila dito ang Angeles City Red Warriors with Kid Estalilia and the rest of the Angeles City Red Warriors team. In our game at hand for today, APALIT, I Love It kontra Angeles City Red Warriors para sa ating main event. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabalen. Ako po si makakasama nyo ngayon, Penelope Wilhelmina, and together with me is Ryan Fajaro. Ryan.
Yes, Pen. Thank you very much for having me. First time kong makasama ka sa panel. Of course, may atuggat panapon mga kabalen kayo. And of course, huwag niyong kakalimutan na mag-like and share sa ating mga social media. Of course, at Pampanga PIO. Lagi lang kayo sa like and share sa Facebook at gayon din sa YouTube channel ng Pampanga PIO at Sinagliga TV. Pen?
At siyempre, tumutok pa rin tayo dito sa ating YouTube channel ng Pampanga_PIO at masusubaybayan din natin sa YouTube channel ng Sinagliga TV.
Yes. And of course, Pen, gusto natin i-discuss sa ating mga kabalen yung ating current team standings, no? Kung saan ang Angeles on this particular bracket is still undefeated, 5 wins and no loss. Their last game nung December pa. At samantalang yung APALIT I Love It is on top of the team standings with 6-1 record, 4-game winning streak, Pen.
At dito nga, kung mananalo man dito ang Angeles City Red Warriors, ay aangat nila sa team standing at magiging pang number 2 spot sa bracket A. Itong APALIT I Love It. Kaya hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa. Coming up is the battle of APALIT I Love It kontra Angeles City Red Warriors. And now I'm turning you over to Ram Valid for our starters of the game.
Good afternoon once again, Delta Guy fans. We're coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by the coverage partners Sinagliga. We're also live at the Pampanga PIO at FB page and YouTube channel. This is the main event for this afternoon. It's the battle between APALIT I Love It and your Angeles City Red Warriors. And now let's meet the starting lineup for your APALIT I Love It. Starting at guard, number 23, Lendel Garcia. Also at guard, number 3, Yuri Masibak. At forward, number 1, Kent Montalvo. Also at forward, number 28, Kayled Macapagal. And center, number 22, Christian Silvestre. Head coach for APALIT Pampanga is Sal de Mesita. Assisted by Edgar Bingol, Per Gardiner, Robert Pereira, and Romel Ochenko. your APALIT, I love it. And now let's meet the starting lineup for your Angeles City Red Warriors. Small forward number 21, John Martinez. Power forward number 31, Sam De Jesus. At center number 3, Pao Laguindanum. Point guard number 24, Jacob Valoria. And shooting guard number 22, Kid Estalilia. Angeles City Red Warriors is led by Coach John Ocampo. Assistant coaches, Javier Cruz, Eric Malyari, and Earl Morales. Team manager, Mr. Val Peña. Your Angeles City Red Warriors. Game officials charged in action, Michael Galotera, Chong Banayat, and Dennis Escaros. This is your Delta Cup 2023.
And here are starters for APALIT, I love it, Danting, Garcia, Silvestre, Montalvo, Masibak, and para sa parig ng Angeles City Red Warriors, we have Balora, Estalilia, Laguindanum, and Martinez, and De Jesus.
At para naman Pam sa ating mga offense, referees natin, si Michael Galotera, Jong Banayat Jr., and Dennis Escaros are the referees for this one. And Ben?
Here, tingnan natin kung kanino mapupunta ang unang ball possession. The ball possession goes to the side of APALIT, I love it. Garcia passes.
Open shot
A
yun.
three-point shot. No good for the side of APALIT.
Maganda depensa doon, ha? Talagang covered nila yung mga outside lanes.
Angeles trying to get their first basket of the ball game. And a good block there for the side of APALIT. I love it. Ball in favor of APALIT. I love it.
Ben, grabe yung Blanca ni Macapagal. Ang hinabol niya because of his elongated arms. He rejects that shot on that first attempt by Angeles.
Exactly, Ryan. That's why. But still, the defense na pinapakita dito ng APALIT, I love it, is different coming na panalo sila kahapon.
Yes, it's different. So, kailangan nilang pag-aralan kung paano ang galaw ng Angeles defensively and offensively.
And here, almost a basket, pero tumama yun dun sa gilid ng board natin. A turnover.
And it seems like medyo nahuli sa rotation yung depensa ng Angeles. But that will be an important thing for Angeles. Kailangan nilang makascore dito because remember, they haven't played for the past 2 months. Medyo may konting rustiness ang Angeles.
Baloria. The ball back again to Baloria. He's attempting a three-point shot there. And he passes it again.
Oh!
A miss pass there for the side of Angeles. You know, Ryan, one thing na dapat i-watch out dito ng Angeles City, kahit matambakan nila tong APALIT, yung laro kahapon, nakita mo, di ba? Tambak na yung APALIT nung second half, pero humabol sila nung pagdating ng second half.
It is because nagre-relax eh. May konting relaxation ng APALIT sa kanilang third and fourth quarter. If they know that their opponent can beat them for 20, 30 points, they have their complacency. Kailangan maiwasan yun. Kailangan yung kanilang offensive rhythm for the first half and the second half should be consistent.
Three-point shot is not good for Angeles. Garcia passes to Masiba.
Yes!
The first basket of APALIT. Care of Masiba.
And look at the crowd.
Look at the intensity we have here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Ben, hindi na tayo magkarinigan.
Exactly. A jumper there, no good for Pao Laguindanum. But a block there. Lendl. An easy layup for Lendl Garcia.
Ben, that's 2 shot blocks by Khaled Macapagal. One on the outside and one on the layup. Defense turns to offense for APALIT.
And another here. Back again. Setting their play, attempting a three-point shot. He drives the ball, but then a good tap for the side of APALIT. Still. Jumper still no good. And a putback there.
Kailangan hindi na ibaba ni
by
Sam
John
De...
Martinez.
Oo, hindi na kailangan ibaba ni Sam De Jesus yun, Pen, kasi pag binaba ni Sam De Jesus yun, mahuhuli ng depensa ng APALIT.
A turnover there for Angeles. And rather
Oh.
nice pass there,
Ah,
but still no good for
sayang
that
yun,
layup.
libre.
Masibak passes to Garcia. Garcia passes back it to Masibak. Montalvo. A steal there from Masibak. Estalilia passes that to back again.
Pen, great
To
transition.
Estalilia.
Yes.
Martinez, 3-point, no good.
Ang ganda ng transition defense ng APALIT. Hindi kagad nakascore ang Angeles on that
Exactly.
potential fast break.
Garcia passes to Masibak.
Ah,
No good. Estalilia drives. Estalilia passes. And the
Yes.
first basket. Second basket for
that,
Angeles. Ties the game at 4 with 5 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for our first quarter.
that's a 4-on-1 fast break. Uy!
Muntik na tayong tamaan dito, Ryan.
Tamaan. And Pen, just allow me for a second. Sa mga viewers natin na hindi na natunghayan yung mga games natin, na ira-rundown natin yung... As we take a look at this replay muna, Pen.
That pass and an easy layup there for the side of Angeles City.
Oo. Ito, yung first game natin, nanalo Florida Blanca laban sa Masantol, 70-68. Minalin win over Santa Ana, 83-78. Bacolor wins against San Simon, 78-72. At kanina yung kinover ko, Lubao winning over Mabalacat, 78-43.
And we are down here for our main game, APALIT contra Angeles City. As a foul draw there, if I'm not mistaken.
Dalawa sumalubong doon kay Silvestre. Angeles team will not give Silvestre an easy bucket. There is a foul upstairs at 2 free throws para kay Silvestre.
Let's take a look if the first shot of Silvestre goes in.
Oo.
With 5 minutes and 23 seconds, we're tied at 4.
Mayroong isang referee na nagpapabati habang nasa lal tayo. Get well soon kay Coach Jack ng Santa Maria, Bulacan. In advance, Valentine's greetings kay Elenita Valeros. Of course, happy birthday sa nanay ni Enzo Galarosa.
Exactly tomorrow pa ngayon, Aaron, but still,
oo.
advance happy birthday
Oo nga.
sa mom ni Enzo Galarosa, my partner earlier.
Yes.
As 2-2 for Christian Silvestre. Baloria passes to the Guzman. What a layup there for Sam De Jesus.
That's the second time around na hindi na binaba ng
Garcia.
bola.
A 2 defender for Garcia.
Alam mo, Pen, Lendel Garcia is a markman. But take a look at this replay. Yun, oh. Hindi na binaba ni Sam De Jesus ang bola. So, for sure, Angeles, Lendel Garcia is a markman.
Masibak. No good for Masibak. A turnover for Angeles City.
Ooh.
What a layup there by Jacob Baloria. A steal there for the side of Angeles City. Nice pass underneath.
Ah.
But it bounces back. Estalilia, no good. Lendel Garcia, what will he do?
Oh.
That shot is not good for Lendel Garcia. Look at the crowd here after that call.
Alam mo, Pen, sa crowd ito, hindi tayo magkarinigan. But you see that a little elbow, medyo nag-react doon ng crowd.
Kitang-kita kasi yun eh. Let's take a look at the replay here. Baloria,
It gets a
an
layup.
easy layup for Valoria of Angeles City. And a substitution for the side of Angeles City. Isaac Danting, 3, no good. But the putback there by Christian Silvestre, and he draws a foul.
At that time, kapapasok lang ni Isaac Danting. Meron lang akong konting trivia sa iyo, Bem, for Isaac Danting. Currently, this semester, Isaac Danting is enrolled in playing for Team B as a freshman for UST Growling Tigers.
Yes, Ryan, actually, Isaac is a good friend of mine. I watch his game minsan sa Manila.
Oo nga. Pero ito si Silvestre, he missed the last 2 free throws. Pero he's pounding his way inside. Nakikita ko talagang he really exerting effort. Kasi yun ang kanyang role as a center. Rebounding, kick-out passes. Pero medyo nako-conserve ng energy dito dahil ang bibilis ng mga malalaking mama ng Angeles.
Tama, Ryan. Let's take a look. A 1 and 2 for Christian Silvestre. Asesta Lilia. Deloria passes back to Estalilia. Nice pass there underneath. Almost a block there, but a good defense for the side of APALIT. APALIT passes to Isaac Danting.
Very
Sabi
patient.
niya, Isaac, sandali lang daw. Danting to Garcia. And a pass to Silvestre. And an easy layup there for Christian Silvestre.
That's the marquee play by Coach Zaldi Messina. Cut inside the baseline, easy deuce.
Imagine for the side of APALIT, you have here Danting, Garcia, Silvestre. A perfect lineup or a perfect
Combination.
combination for the side of APALIT. And a steal there. Danting, what will he do? He passes it. And an easy basket for Yuri Matsibak there.
Tremendous alertness by Danting. Alam niya off balance siya. Nakita niya yung open guy underneath.
Alanganin na yung pasa sa kanya doon. Pero nakita pa din niya yung opportunity na yun.
Yes.
But then here for the side of Angeles, two defenders. And a three-point shot from way downtown, no good. Passes to Lendel Garcia. Lendel Garcia!
What a shot! What a shot by Garcia off balance. Alam mo, hindi fluke yung best player of the ball game because he really wants to show that APALIT is one of the top players. Take a look at this replay. From the pass, kanina yan, Danting, he finds a pass, open basket, at yung huling tira kanina
Here, the last play, passes to Lendel Garcia, and he draws a foul in there, which makes the score 13-8 in favor now of APALIT.
Lendel Garcia Pen is a clutch player, that's for sure.
Nakita naman natin kahapon yun kung gaano ka-clutch player si Lendel Garcia. And the bonus free throw is good for Lendel Garcia.
At yung mga trompeta dito, alalakas. Nako, meron tayong warning sa head coach ng Angeles, si John Ocampo, for resentment call.
Let's take a look at here. Angeles. The Guzman passes it to Naku. Almost a basket there.
Pero may foul si Montalvo. He extended his arms too much. Masyadong madikit ang kanyang depensa. That's why he was called for that foul.
Let's see if John Marinaco's free throw. First free throw is good for Naku.
And Ben, diniscuss mo yesterday sa broadcast with Enzo. Free throws are important in this crucial games, ha?
Totoo. Kasi nung I was able to man the sidelines, yun yung pinaka natutunan ko eh. Kasi pag may mga dikit na laban, free throw yung pinaka-important. Kasi isa yun sa mga way para kung makalamang sila or makadikit.
Definitely. But that time, a rare turnover there by APALIT. Gusto nila mag-fast break agad pero hindi nakatingin yung point guard.
Three-point shot still not good, but a jumper from Naku. In and out. Silvestre passes to Montalvo. Montalvo
Oh.
passes to Danting. Almost a miss there. But Danting managed to keep the ball. Danting passes to Dizon. To Garcia. Garcia passes to Dizon again. Dizon from way downtown. No good. But a foul there.
Yes, there's a foul from three-point region.
One thing, Ryan, that I learned from the sidelines, from the coaches pag nag-huddle, wag mo nang itatry na mag-foul, na mag-attempt ng libreng player, yung malayo ka, tapos itatry mo pang i-contest.
Pero pero sa mga coaches standpoint, merong isang instansya na pwede mo i-contest. Do not extend your feet. Just extend your hands, pero
Let's take a look
dapat
at that
literal. Oo. Makikita mo, in-extend niya yung kamay, pero kung ipapayag lang ganyan, you can still distract the player without fouling.
As the first free throw is good for Dizon. Two for Dizon here for the side of APALIT. 16-10. 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining for our first quarter.
Grabe action dito, Ben.
First quarter pa lang to, Ryan. De Guzman for a one-handed shot. Almost a steal there for Lendal Garcia. But Naku,
Block.
tingnan mo, tatlong players sa apat na.
Oh,
Even yung saluhan nila doon for the rebound.
that's an easy block there by
But possession.
Montalvo.
But the possession goes to APALIT.
Yes.
Lendal Garcia. Passes to Danting. Danting pumuesto from way downtown.
Yes!
It's a sure ball for Isaac Danting. Pag nakita mo na siyang pumuesto ng ganon, sukat na sukat. And that makes it 19-10 with 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining. As we can take a look, that pass from Lendal Garcia to Isaac Danting. Looking at the line, and a basket from way downtown. 1 minute and 3 seconds left for our first quarter. As a timeout on the floor, 9-10. Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we can see here, the team of the Angeles City. 1 minute and 3 seconds. 19 for the side of APALIT and 10 for the Angeles City. So we can see here, Kid Estalilia.
So
Hindi
far, only has 2 points. Normally, in
Hindi
the first
natin
quarter,
masyado Ryan nararamdaman si
hindi
Kid
pa.
Estalilia.
Kasi he's now a marked man sa depensa ng APALIT. Let's see kung may mga changes sa kanilang offense.
But look at the defense there by APALIT.
At isa pang napapansin ko, karamihan ng mga plays ng Angeles ay sa loob. Maybe Kid Estalilia will preserve his energy come to the second half.
We'll see. Titignan natin yan, Ryan. But a foul there for Kent Montalvo.
And that's only his first personal foul, Pen.
First free throw is no good for Paul Lagman.
Makikita mo yung pawis kay Lagman, kaya medyo may konting pagod.
Still no good. A rebound there by Isaac Danting. Danting passes to Dizon. Dizon passes to Montalvo. Montalvo to JP Maglalang. JP Maglalang come off the bench for the remaining 1 minute kanina and 3 seconds of our ball game. A substitution there, a swipe by Danting. But Estalilia managed to keep the ball. Look at that. Look at Lendal Garcia there.
Oo.
Coming from the center. papunta sa perimeter.
Ang bilis ng kanyang adjustment. Napakabilis. And also, on the other, look at this particular shot. Kasi kanina, na-observe ni Maglalang, yung mga players ng Angeles City, hindi na binaba ng bola. He just does that. Hindi na binaba bola. He scored the basket quickly.
And a substitution for Kent Montalvo.
Uh-huh.
John Mirabel on the court right now. A jumper for Naku. That jumper is good.
It's a basket by Naku.
10 seconds left. No shot clock.
Game clock.
Lendl Garcia to Edmar Dizon. Dizon.
Wala nang
almost
oras.
still there. No time for the side of APALIT. I love it. So we can see here, Angeles approaching the bench with Martinez. Looking at the score, the bench of the APALIT. I love it. Let's take a look here on our first quarter highlights. A pass serve by Estanilla and an easy basket for the side of Angeles City. And look at here, a pass to Lendl Garcia and an easy layup also for Yuri Masibak there. Yung mga drives na itong nung APALIT yung nagpalamang sa kanila dito.
Marami silang fast break points.
And look at here, that pass of Danting
Wow.
to Yuri Masibak again. And here, one of the highlights, my dear friend Isaac Danting, the three-point shot
Bang.
of the quarter. That makes 21-12 at the end of the first quarter. As we take a look here, we're back at for the second quarter of this ball game. Angeles City trying na makadikit dito para Martinez to Henson. Humugot na dito si Coach John Ocampo ng mga
Yes.
players here from the bench. We can see new faces here inside the court. That shot is no good.
Woo!
What a shot! What a shot for Martinez.
And credit half of that basket, Penelope, for that great save by Joe Marinaco. As we take a look at this instant replay from that missed shot. Kita mo naman, tapik! Plus a foul, Martinez getting the N1 play.
And the bonus free throw is good for Martinez. Lendl Garcia, dumulas yun sa kamay niya pagkapasa ni Ice.
Maybe it's high time for Coach Zaldi Messina. Pagpahinga ng konti si Lendl Garcia because he already played his 11th straight minute playing time.
Henson passes it. But almost a steal there for Lendl Garcia.
Oo.
Henson, a nice pass by Henson. Nice fake there. Almost a shot.
Oh.
But that jumper is good for Martinez.
Back-to-back baskets, Penelope by Martinez.
He's on to Garcia.
Uh-oh.
Dumulas yun sa kamay ni Lendl Garcia.
Yes.
And an opportunity for Angeles City. What a move there. Almost a shot. But a jumper. And a foul called there.
Oh, yes, ang foul matatawagan kay JP Maglalan. Pero look at this, from the 21-12 first quarter, 5-0 run by Angeles.
Tama, Ryan. Nababa na nila sa yung lamang nila dito. And 8 minutes and 35 seconds left for our second quarter. Still no basket for the second quarter para sa panig ng APALIT.
Oh.
Still no good.
Ayaw pa rin.
Niluluwa pa rin talaga. But here, Dizon drives, Dizon fake.
No basket yan. May foul daw sa ilalim, sabi ni referee Jong Banayan.
Ang lilinaw talaga ng mata ng mga referees
Yes.
natin.
Very eagle-eyed. At saka, of course, lahat ng mga represent galing sa Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. That means they are very seasoned and
As
well-veteran.
we take a
Take a look at
look
this replay. Pagkakuha ni Dizon, pumeke siya pero yun, may konting hand check foul laban kay Martinez.
Danting passes it to Lendl Garcia. Lendl Garcia for three. No good. Almost a rebound there. Henson passes it out from way downtown. No good. Almost a steal for Danting. The three-point shot is still no good for the side of Angeles City. Ice binababa ang bola. Pinasa kay Garcia. Garcia for one hand shot there. The slide and the one hand shot there by Lendl Garcia.
Yung teardrop niya yung kanyang paborito eh.
Let's take a look. Angeles City, what will almost a nice move there for the side of Angeles City by John Martinez.
Medyo kulang sa pektos yung kanyang yo-yo shot.
As we take a look at this play of Lendl Garcia, a slide there, binitawan niya lang yung isang kamay.
Simpleng basketball kay Lendl. Meron tayong palitan ng tao.
As a substitution.
Upo muna si Paul Lagman.
Babalik tong si Paul Lacandano.
At umupo na rin si Lendl Garcia. Ang pumalit sa kanya ay si JD Harlego.
Almost a miss there for Isaac Danting. But JD Harlego, Mirabel, Danting. What will Danting do? Passes it. And a three-way from downtown, no good. But a rebound there for Mirabel and a steal there for Angeles City. Look at this guy, Mirabel. They were not able to put a basket. Nung nasa panig nila yung bola, but then bumabawi siya sa depensa there.
At saka yung rebound ni Maribel, binaba niyang bola, dun sumundot ang point guard ng Angeles.
And here, Martinez passes it to Timbol. But a steal there for the side of APALIT. Dizon to Danting. Danting to Jarlego. Dizon to Danting from way downtown. In and out. And a rebound there almost for APALIT. Almost a steal there, but a foul called. Against APALIT. A pushing foul.
At
A pushing foul
O,
for
JP
JP Maglalang.
Tatlo na yan.
His
Third
third
personal foul na.
personal foul for just the second quarter of this ball game. 6 minutes and 11 seconds remaining.
At pinalitan muna si JP Maglalang, balik ulit si Christian Silvestre.
Good thing if you lose as Silvestre sa ay maglalang sa loob. Mayroon ka ding papalit na mas matangkad, no? Tama, Ryan?
Oh! Meron tayong 3-point shot from the corner. Surprise hit by Kid Estalila. Ito na yung sinasabi mo, Penelope, na first quarter hindi muna nag-contribute. Now Estalila takes over the scoring
Takes a
charge.
3-shot there, but an easy layup there. For the side of APALIT, Angeles City now trying to keep up for the 5-point advantage. Bumaba na sa tatlo ang Kalamangan with 5 minutes and 29 seconds remaining for this ball game. Jarlego passes it to Dizon. Dizon drives, Dizon passes, and a layup there, but a block there. But a foul out of bounds.
There's no foul, it's just a block. What an effort. Martinez scoring on the other side, on the defensive end. Take a look at this. Martinez sidestep. Nagkape sa ere.
Pwede pa siyang magkape sa ginawa niya.
Oh.
Dizon passes. But they missed there. For Khaled Macapagal. Underneath. Pass it to Martinez. Martinez pass it to the guy underneath.
Yes!
Ayan yung sinasabi mo, Ryan, na kanina tahimik lang itong si Kid Estalilla. take a look at that replay.
Hook shot, mas malaking mama, and one foul doon si Christian Silvestre. So, in my analysis of the games of Angeles, Kid Estalilla plays best every second and fourth quarter. You can tell.
A bonus free throw is good for Kid Estalilla. That free throw makes this game tied at 25 as a timeout on the floor. 25 all for this.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As we take a look here to the fans, families, and supporters of APALIT. I love it as the beloved mayor of the city of APALIT.
That's Mayor June Tetango.
Almost full dito yung kalahati ng BREN natin, no? Pag
Yes.
APALIT yung naglalaro eh. As 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining for our second quarter.
First deadlock at
Dizon.
25.
Dizon, that jumper is good for Edmore Dizon. Mukhang effective ang timeout dito ng APALIT.
Timely timeout kasi kailangan ng APALIT ng other players who can contribute. Hindi lang si Danting o hindi lang yung mga si Garcia ang magko-contribute for APALIT.
A nice pass there and nice basket for De Jesus.
And so far, Ben,
Dizon passes to Harlego. Yes, what
yes,
you're saying,
Jesus
Ryan.
has 6 points na.
Danting. A steal there to Isaac Danting. Martinez. Dizon. What will Dizon do? A layup there for Ice Danting, no good. And a three-point shot there from way downtown, still no good. Rebounded by Paul Lagman. Ay, let me correct that. Carlos Nakapagal. With a three-point shot for Isaac Danting. Not good at the perimeter area.
Not only that, look at that upper body strength from the rebound and nice shoot pa yung three-point shot.
As Baloria trying to drive the ball, almost a steal. And here, Estalilla for three! A clock beater for Kid Estalilla. 3 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. We're tied at 30, Ryan.
Ang layo nun, 37-foot shot made by Estalilla.
Danting, dalawang bantay ni Ice. Almost a steal there. But Ice managed to keep it back. But a ball bounced out. But a substitution for Cal de Guzman.
Pupo muna si John Martinez.
A three-point shot, no good this time for Ice. A foul there.
Napapansin ko, Penelope, yung Angeles gusto nila mag-contra Cheto eh. Nung nakikita natin na naka 2 straight threes itong si Isaac Danting, sumasagot din ng Angeles. They're buying their time to score a little more fast breaks. Kasi nung first quarter, mas marami ang fast break points ang APALIT. Ngayon, sumasabay na rin ang Angeles.
As we take a look on that buzzer beater. Shot clock buzzer beater of Kid Estalilla. At ang layo. Tira niya yun sa 3.
37 feet yun.
As he draws here, his first free throw, no good. For Kid Estalilla. As Lendl Garcia checks in for Edmore Dizon for the side of APALIT.
Kasi nung nawala si Garcia, ang bantayan niya si Estalilla. Ngayon, Estalilla scoring. So, Garcia needs to hound a little bit the scoring of Estalilla.
And that's 1 and 2 for Kid Estalilla there. A nice pass there, a nice recover. Almost a steal, but the thing gets the ball. A signature move of Isaac Danting. Unluckily, hindi lang yun nag-basket.
Dito mo makikita yung kanyang hard work, upper body strength, yung kanyang hang time. So he's a complete package, kaya siya ngayon naglalaro sa UST Guarin Tigers.
And a quick trivia lang, if I'm not mistaken, Isaac Danting played for the Ateneo Blue Eagles and then transferred to the UST Golden Tigers.
Yeah. Under coach Tab Baldwin, if I'm not mistaken.
The first free throw is no good for Isaac Danting. Nakita ko yung story niyan kanina eh. Galing pang Manila eh. May laro pa yan kanina eh. Dumiretso dito eh.
Naglaro sila sa McKinley Hill.
0 and 2 for Isaac Danting. But an easy layup there for Kid Estalilla. From being behind by 8 points. Nag-init tong si Kid Estalilla as we take a look here on this replay. Estalilla, an easy layup. Para namang inabot lang niya dun sa basket. A timeout on the floor for the side of APALIT. 33-30. As we see here, Isaac Danting and Christian Silvestre. Lendl Garcia for the side of APALIT. No, Isaac didn't play yesterday when they won for the third game kahapon against Bayong Porac. Here, Kid Estalilla.
Great second quarter.
2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Tatlo ang kalamangan dito ng Angeles Raya.
And I want to point out to Penelope, Angeles only scored 12 in the first. They already scored 21 in the second.
Exactly, and a good run for them para dito sa ating second quarter. Woo! And a basket there for APALIT. 33-32. Kanina tatlo yung nahabol nila with an easy basket. 1 minute and 48. A timeout there on the floor. 33-32. Take a look here for the side of Angeles City Red Warriors. After that basket drive, they called a timeout.
Because it's already under the 2 minutes and they can afford to use all the timeouts so that they can bump up another offensive run para sa Angeles.
Here, binababa ng Angeles City. What will this Kid Estalilla do? A drive there. A nice pass there. And a basket for Angeles City. Sam De Jesus.
And Penelope, Sam De Jesus has 8 points.
For this quarter, or for the first half of this ball game.
Yes.
And a steal there. Kid Estalilla. A nice move there. A nice pass. Jacob Baloria. Baloria for three. In and out. A rebound for Christian Silvestre. To Danting. Almost a dunk for Isaac Danting. He already touches the rim. Balik.
Akala ko Penelope dadakdak na niya eh.
Yun din ang akala ko, knowing the strength of Isaac Danting, that makes them 34-35. Isa na lang ang hinahabol dito ng APALIT. A foul there against Ramil Balantad.
It's an illegal pick.
Angeles City. As we take a look here, the replay of Isaac Danting, almost a dunk. Hindi pa din niya pinilit doon.
Konti na lang eh.
Danting tries na ubusan yung oras nila dito. Lando Garcia. Garcia passes to Masibak. Masibak to Danting. Danting from way downtown. And a three-point shot for Isaac Danting. That is the three-point. Pangatlo niya ng three-point shot yan.
At dalawa doon sa kanto.
Doon mismo. Exactly at that point, Ryan. Lamang na sila dito ngayon ng dalawa. With the last 2 seconds, what will APALIT do?
May shot by Angeles on that
Ang
last
missed
second.
shot there for Angeles City. 37-35. What a second quarter. Let's take a look at the second quarter highlights. That easy basket for Dizon. That pass from Estalilia and an easy layup there.
By De Jesus.
Look at there, the three-point shot of Danting. That's his second three-point shot of the ball game. And yung malayong tira ni Kid Estalilia. Another, almost a dunk of Isaac Danting. You know, hindi man ganun kaayos yung naging start nung second quarter nitong APALIT eh. But still, the score is 37-35 in favor of APALIT. I love it. Kaya mga kabalin, kapit lang po as we will be back for our Delta Cup 2023-2024. magandang gabi mga kabalan. Kayo pa rin ay nakatutok sa ating 2023-2024 Delta Cup 37-35. APALIT, I love it, kontra Angeles City Red Warriors. As we can see here, Lendel Garcia, the best player of the game sa laro nila kahapon against Bayong Borac.
Yes. As we take a look at our quarter scoring, Ben, first quarter, lamang ang APALIT, 21-12 to Angeles. But on the second quarter, 37-35. That's a big chunk sa Angeles. It scored 23 points as compared to only 14.
Yes, Ryan, coming na natapos yung first half, what was your thoughts sa gameplays ng parehas ng koponan?
I thought Angeles played a good first quarter wherein their majority of their points are outside shooting and fast break. But ginamot yan kagad ng Angeles when they played the one-on-one defense, harassing of the guards. At lalong-lalo na yung mga plays ni Sam De Jesus, majority of their points coming from passes. So it's really a close call because both teams love to give assists, both of them.
That's exactly right, Ryan. As a traveling call there for the side of APALIT and a turnover for Angeles City. That's a three-point shot. A good three-point shot for the first time here in the third quarter.
Those extra passes are very vital for Angeles. Kaya maraming nalilibreng tira sa labas.
Then thing for three, no good. A rebound there for the side of Angeles City. Sumabay yung dalawa, ang defender doon ng APALIT. Almost a putback there. Angeles drives, a rebound for Silvestre.
It's a
Garcia
sorry
keeps
miss.
the ball.
It's a sorry miss by Valoria.
Yes, Ryan, tama. Danting with one hand. Kid Estalilia, an easy, almost an easy layup for him.
There's a little elbow there.
Danting, an easy basket for Isaac. Danting.
And I think up of the rebound play, may konting elbow na tinamaan doon yung isang player ng Angeles.
Oo, pero kasi binababa na ng APALIT yung bola nun, pero walang tinawag na foul yung ating mga referees. As they take a look at review and here.
At habang nire-review na yung mga referees sa penalty, it's so far, it has been a high-octane coverage. As we take a look at this last rebound play, ayun ang rebound.
It's Jacob Valoria.
But it's unintentional kasi gusto lang niyang ma-secure yung rebound. Pero I don't think it hit hard on Jacob Valoria on that replay.
Pero gusto niya yun, kaya iniinda niya. Sa panga niya, oh, ayun. As we take a look here, na-assist na siya ng ating medic.
At ang masakit pa doon, Pen, instead of a contact, natawagan pa si Jacob Valoria ng faking a foul.
For the side of Angeles,
Oo.
hindi mo gugustuhin yan, di ba? Ikaw na yung nasaktan. Ikaw po yung natawagan ng foul.
But anyway, emotions has been immersed in this game. Take a look at this. One last look. Pagka-rebound, nakuha ng APALIT ang rebound. That's Yuri Masiba. Winasiwa sila ng konting elbow. At I don't think it hit. I don't think so it hit. So that's why the referees called the faking a foul on that instant.
Nakaharap kasi eh. Here, ball possession for Angeles City. Estalilia passes that one in and out. Montalvo drives. A miss for Montalvo on that layup. Apat kasi yung bantay niya dun eh.
And not only that, yung quickness ng APALIT, ginamit nila yun. Pero grabe ang crisp passing ng Angeles. But that time, there's a steal.
For Silvestre.
Oh!
But a block there against Lendel Garcia.
Look at Paula Quintanum erasing the shot.
Sabi niya, mas matangkad ako kay Lendel.
I can call him now the human eraser.
Grabe yun, Ryan. But here, a ball possession for APALIT. Passes it to Masibak. Masibak to Montalvo. Montalvo, Garcia, a jumper. No good. but the ball still in favor of APALIT. As we take a look at the replay.
Huli ka!
Sabi dito ni Paula Quindano. No good for me at 3-point for Kent Montalvo.
Kailangan nang itira yun, Pen, because the shot clock is winding down at 6. He needs to put up a shot.
Tama. Kasi majority ng mga na-cover kong games dito sa Delta Cup, hindi nila masyadong napapansin yung shot clock eh.
Oo, kasi ang shot clock is one-sided. Wala silang shot clock dun sa corner na nakikita natin sa NBA. Oh!
A 3-point shot from your favorite kid, Estalilia. What a move there for Isaac Danting. And luckily, it goes in. Estalilia passes it. Still no good. A putback there by Sam De Jesus. Kanina papansin ko, Ryan, this two kids, si Kid Estalilia and si Sam De Jesus, majority ng laro nila na-cover muna. And grabe yung connection nila dito.
Matt and Jeff combination. Estalilia is the set. De Jesus always finishes. Time and again.
Kung ma-miss man ni Kid Estalilia, nandoon si Sam De Jesus for a
Correct.
putback.
But that time may foul.
Yuri Masibak drives there and draws a foul.
At alam mo, Penelope, dahil mabilis ang ball game natin, talagang mapipilitan ng mga coaches to at least use 10 to 12 players because this is a high-octane ball game.
And yes, Ryan, naghugot-hugot na nga itong si Coach Azaldi tsaka si Coach John
Yes.
Ocampo ng ng mga players nila. Kasi, di ba, nafa-foul. Iba't ibang players yung nafa-foul nila.
Correct.
So, ini-exist talaga nila yung mga foul per player nila eh.
And not only that, Penang, pagdating sa fourth quarter, if things get like this as close as it gets, patibayan na lang loob ito.
Totoo. Siyempre, yung support din from the crowd nila, di ba, Ryan?
Yes.
Iba din yung feeling nun eh.
Yun ang tinatawag na six-man as we see a conversion by Masibak on the free throw line.
Here, Angeles City. Lamang pa din dito ang Angeles. 43-40 and 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Kid Estalilia. What did Estalilia do? But a foul there.
It is a offensive foul of Estalilia.
You know, when Danting is guarding you, di ba? Hindi naman malabo yun eh. As
Hindi.
sabi mo nga talaga kanina, kung saan galing si Ice.
At saka, kumbaga, malaki na pinagsamahan nila na Danting and other players. Nababasa-basa na nila kung paano ma-stop yung ganong ka-lightning quick and hindi lang sa movement, pati decision-making ni Estalilia.
And majority kasi ng mga players dito ng APALIT is mga veterano na eh when it comes to the ball, sa basketball eh. Samantalang for APALIT, they have some liga din na napaglalaroan.
Correct.
But syempre, iba yung experiences nito ni Isaac Danting eh.
And of course, yung upper body strength ni Isaac Danting, time and again, we already explained that this will work in favor kung gusto niyang maging isang youth team player.
But a 3-point shot miss there by Dizon. Kid Estalilia. No good for Kid Estalilia there. Montalvo tries to drive, but a foul called there against Caleb. No, against Paul Lagman.
At nag-overreact, Penelope, ito si Paul Lagman on that last call.
Sabi nga niya dun eh. As we take a look on this one. And a technical foul for the coach of Angeles City Red Warriors, head coach John Ocampo.
Kanina kasi,
Na-warningan na siya kanina.
na-warning na
Ryan,
siya na
tama.
kanina at ngayon, second infraction of the resentment call to the head coach.
And that bonus free throw is good for Lendel Garcia.
So for sure, pag alam mo, pag isang coach ay nate-technical, talagang ang mga players will respond promptly.
mas naiinis yung mga players na
Oo.
bumawi. Siyempre, it's actually, may tawag dun, Ryan, yung pride ba? Siyempre, co-head coach mo yun
Hindi ako papayag na matatalo kami.
Oo.
Something like that. Uh-oh.
Almost still there. But Garcia passes it to Silvestre. An easy basket for Silvestre. Valoria passes it. And an easy basket for Paul Lagman after that foul.
I am super amazed, Penelope. Both teams issuing brilliant assists.
Diba, kahit kaya nilang itira, kahit alam nila na papasok, they're trying to make the sure shot by executing yung mga plays nila.
Just like
As
that.
you can see that. Kaya kasabi ko pa lang, libreng-libre sa gilid doon si Danting, pero hindi nila yon pinilit. Nakita nila na libre sa gitna
And Penelope, both these teams and both players, the philosophy of the coaches, they want their players better.
As here, Valoria passes it to De Jesus. No good for De Jesus. Still there. First,
Oh!
Lendl Garcia, but a message for Kid Estalia.
Oh!
Passes it to Jacob Valoria, and the reaction of Valoria after that shot. Let's take a look at the replay.
Huli.
Ipapasa kasi dapat ng mataas ni Lendl Garcia. But then, let's take a look at that one. A beautiful shot for Valoria. Makes him a bonus free throw here.
At sa ating mga kabalin, maya pa bengi po, don't blink an eye because this game will have a wild wind-up.
It's good for Jacob Valoria. 48-45, tatlong inahabol dito ng APALIT. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining for our third quarter.
At kailangan magpigil dito yung mga players kasi minsan pag ang referees nakikita nila nagtotonting, mag-ingat sila.
Parang tayong Ryan, kahit mag-blink lang tayo dito, hindi na tayo masusundan.
Oh, correct.
As a Mr. Kid Estalilia, a nice move there.
A nice defensive stance here. Tinapik ni Dizon sa likod. Turnover, last touch ni Estalilia.
And here, Lendl Garcia passes back it to Dizon. Dizon to Montalvo. Montalvo drives, miss, and a putback there by Silvestre. But Dizon is there. But a tap there for Angeles City.
And last touch by Naco. Only 9 seconds on the shot clock for Angeles.
Still, 48-45. What will APALIT do for their 9 seconds on the shot clock? Lendl draws a 3-point shot, no good. Alam mo Ryan, kahit kahapon, hindi masyadong kataas yung percentage nito ni Lendl Garcia pagdating sa 3-point shot.
Oo, hindi. Ang importante sa kanya, he needs to make his teammates better. At pagdating sa clutch, he must take over.
Tama, yun din yung laro niya kahapon.
Correct.
Naku for 3, no good. Silvestre is there. Pero may dalawang bantay siya doon. Montalvo passes it to Dante. A miss there. It's an alley-oop play.
And
for
what a
Isaac
defensive
Dante.
stance
Pero
by,
nabasa yun ng Angeles City. In and out for Angeles City. Dizon. Danteng, sinukat na naman ang linya. Still no good.
He missed the last 2 shots from 3-point territory for Danteng.
Siguro pagod na si Ay.
Malamang.
But a traveling violation.
Yes,
called
traveling.
on Jomari Naku. Pangiti na lang siya dun eh.
Masasabi ko lang, Penelope, Jomari Naco, ito, hi Naco! What a ball game we're seeing here, Penelope.
Tama. Ay, nako talaga. Bawal kang mag-blink ng eyes mo dito eh.
Oo. Ito, upo muna yung big guy nila, si Christian Silvestre, at babalik si John Mirabel.
Hindi natin masyadong naramdaman si Mirabel for the third quarter
Hindi.
of this ball game. Kaya natin. As Dizon, the jumper.
Yes!
That jumper is good for Edmore Dizon. 48-47. 2 minutes and 6 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Isa na lang ang nahabol dito ng APALIT as a jumper is also good for Jensen Henson. Palitan lang sila dito.
And yun yung mga bench points on both clubs, ha? Dizon and Henson.
As here, Dante. Grabe yung bantayan nila kay Dante. What a pass from Isaac Dante.
Block!
Dizon, block there. Tatlo yung bantay niya doon. 2 big mans. And here, a rebound for Mirabel. Dizon, what will Dizon do? A jumper, no good. A putback for Mirabel.
Yes.
And that putback is good for Mirabel coming off the bench.
That time, ang APALIT using his height. Mas malaki sila kaysa Angeles.
Tama. It's also a big guy. Isa lang yung big guy nila dito eh.
Correct.
And for the side of APALIT, dalawa to eh. You have Montalvo and Mirabel.
Pero, Penelope, we have an offensive foul by Naku, illegal pick.
It's his second offensive foul.
Oh, yeah.
Tawagan na sa kaninang first quarter as we take a look at the replay. A jumper and a putback there by Mirabel. Dizon passes it to Garcia. Garcia and a foul there for the side of Angeles City.
At penalty na ang Angeles, so opportunity para kay Garcia to score points in the free throw line.
It's his opportunity para matay ang ball game natin with 56 seconds and remaining for our third quarter.
At pwede pa makalamang pagka nakascore siya ng dalawa.
Tama. And yes, sinasabi natin, first free throw for Landal Garcia is good. 2 and 2 for Landal Garcia. A change of favors. Lamang na po ang APALIT, mga kabalan. 51-50. Ryan with 55 seconds remaining.
Anything can happen. And for sure, third quarter pa lamang ito. The best is yet to come in the payoff
At the
period.
fourth quarter, tama. Pag sila talaga yung naglalaro. But our easy basket there for Jo Marie Naku.
That's another give and go play. Talagang laging nagwo-work yung mga plays ng Angeles that time.
Yung mga plays nila kasi may underneath eh.
Meron.
And here, Dizon. Passes back into Dizon, but it bounces out.
At meron pa silang 7 seconds on the shot clock. Magandang distraction doon ni Naku.
A drive there. Wala. Oh, but still there for Yuri Masibak. And a three-point there by Landal Garcia. In and out, a putback there, but no good. A steal there again.
Yes!
And
yes!
Goes in for Yuri Masibak. Hindi na kita dito, Marineg Ryan, after that shot. Our Kabalan fans goes wild here at the inside the BREN.
At pwede ko sabihin, mapaposong sinasabi ni Seb Sarmena, listen to this crowd roar as we see this basket.
He came strong in there. Grabe. And a substitution there for Lendel Garcia as Masibak draws this free throw. The bonus free throw is good. 54 to 52. But the steal
Wala na
by
oras.
Rebel. No time for Angeles City to steal it back, as we can see here. The man of the minute, Yuri Masibak. Dissect the thing as we take a look at our third quarter highlights. An easy basket for the side of APALIT. And
Sam
an
De Jesus.
underneath there for Sam De Jesus. That three-point shot for Isaac Denteng.
And of course, yung 3-point shot din ni Estalilla at the buzzer.
And this one.
I think ito yung first half eh. Hindi natin nakuha yung third quarter. Kasi dapat change score sila. But anyway,
Sobrang ganda ng laban, which makes it 54 to 52. And now in favor of APALIT as fourth quarter is approaching. As we can see here, head coach John Ocampo of Angeles City, together with his 5 players that will play for this fourth quarter of this ball game. As we can see here, the man of the third quarter.
Masibak.
Here, Dizon. Dizon tries it, and Dizon drives! Parang wala siyang bantay dun eh.
Wala. He just crossed it over and the defender lost him.
Kid Estalilia passes it underneath!
Oh!
That underneath shot is good for Paula Quindanum.
He's currently enrolled in Letran, one of the rookies of Letran Knights.
An exciting player for Colegio de San Juan de Letran.
Yes.
It's coming NCAA, but here, Dizon. Passes it to Mirabel! Naging maganda kasi yung pasok na ito ni Mirabel ng third quarter eh. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng momentum eh.
At yung last basket ni Mirabel, inid siya na ng bola, pumasok!
Oo.
Oh!
As an easy layup there.
By VJ Roas.
Drive there for Dizon.
Oh!
An easy basket again for Edmore Dizon. This guy, a straight 4 points. Or best I
Sagutan
say,
ito,
6
Penelope.
points.
Sagutan ito.
Sagutan lang sila ng 2 points. As Kid Estalilia. Sumagot din to si Kid eh, pagtapos ni Hizon eh.
Yes. It's just a 2-point game for APALIT.
Dizon. What will Dizon do? Harlego passes it back to Yuri Masibak. Masibak misses it, but a putback there by Edmore Dizon. This guy has been spectacular for the 1 minute and 59 seconds pass for the fourth quarter. So take a look at that one. An easy basket for Edmore Dizon. Look, a good pass there for Yuri Masibak and a easy basket for Edmore Dizon. 4-point advantage for the side of APALIT, 62-58. As we take a look, our games tomorrow, our game 1 will start still at 9 a.m. Santa Ana United contra Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca, with our game 2, Angeles City Red Warriors contra Level Up Lubao. Our third, Mabalacat City MCG Cares contra Bayong Porac. Our fourth game, 1 Magalang Basketball contra Municipality of Arayat. And for our main game, Guagua Tulong-Tulong Tayo kontra 1 sa Sumar.
And I've only covered the first game. Yung ating first game, ako po magko-cover niyan bukas.
Exciting yung mga laban natin
Yes.
bukas eh. Ano Ryan, actually napapansin ko eh, di ba? Dito sa Delta Cup, kahit anong laro eh, exciting eh.
It's unpredictable. Hindi mo malalaman kung sino man nanalo until the final buzzer, because these players, since ito ay project ni Governor Delta Pineda, they want these players to make better, but hey, we have an offensive foul!
An offensive foul there for VJ Rojas. Coming off the bench, VJ Rojas committed an offensive foul there.
At I think pinalitan muna si Rojas because back-to-back foul siya.
Harlego passes it. Passes it to Yuri Masibak. A good play there. You see that, Ryan? Biglang sumulpot si Yuri Masibak sa ilalim.
Yes. Great cut inside, ha? Great cut.
That's exactly right. So we can see here, sobrang loud and wild ng crowd ng APALIT.
Another offensive foul for Angeles. And
But a
look at this.
technical foul.
Look at this. Manlalang ang laking dalam. Had some words for it. O kailangan nila mag-ingat dito.
For JP, maglalang. Masyado siyang nadala doon ng momentum. Offensive foul call there. for the side of Angeles City, pero masyadong natuwa itong si JP Maglalang.
Let's see
As you
that
take a
again.
look, okay
Yes.
lang eh, napalakpakan
It's a taunting.
mo
It's a
eh.
technical
But
foul.
you had a contact with Pau Lakindanum.
At tapos after that, Paula Quindano, after that offensive foul, nagkaroon ng konting extracurricular itong si Maglalang. That's unnecessary because lamang na kayo eh. You know, in sports, Penelope, you have to practice self-control.
As you take a look there kanina, pinagsasabihan siya ng mga coaching staff niya. But still, the crowd of APALIT goes wild and wild.
At alam mo, Penelope, sa lakas sa crowd ito, bukod sa hindi na tayo makarinig, baka masira pa yung tenga natin.
Tama rin, nauubo-ubo lang ako kasi sumisigaw na ako dito eh.
Yes.
And to point out, halos puno pala tayo dito sa
That's
Brenzy
right.
dahil dito sa likod natin.
We have almost a full capacity crowd.
Akala ko dito lang sa unahan
Oh.
natin eh. And here, nice move there by Harlego. Kid Estalia.
Oh,
At he missed it there. Harlego goes to Yuri Masibak. Masibak goes to Paul Lagman.
oh.
Almost a steal there for Dizon.
Yes.
Valoria.
Important basket for Valoria. Chops down the lead to just 4, Penelope.
Tama, Ryan. Alam mo, hinihingal na ako dito. Parang naglalaro ako, kasama ko sila. Hinahabol ko yung play nila eh.
It's a block.
Masibak. No good. Here, Valoria again. Valoria passes it. But I believe Valoria already stepped out of the line.
Oh, nabitawan niya ang bola. He didn't have the control of the ball on that last fast break. So again, a great transition defense by APALIT.
As we can see here, Coach John Ocampo of Angeles City Red Warriors, okay lang daw yun. Bumaba na daw sila.
Yes.
Dizon. Danting checks back in for APALIT.
A block. Oh!
A nice putback there for Khaled
Makapagal.
Makapagal.
Blessing in disguise yun dahil blanca na yun eh.
No one expect that. The whole crowd here in Brenzy is shouting defense.
Oh! Basket by Sam De Jesus.
Easy basket there for Sam De Jesus. This guy is so tall. He's biggest in the court right now. Kala ko ipapasok ni...
Oh, hindi.
Danting. Danting throws a three. No good.
Nice basket by Martinez. Home run for Angeles.
But a nice contest there also for Isaac Danting. 66 to 64. 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining.
Buckle up your seats.
Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng APALIT. Now Lendal Garcia inside the court. Isaac Danting. Danting passes it. Jumper, no good. Almost a rebound there
A chance to
for
tie.
Makapagal. Rebound by Isaac Danting. Danting. Nice pass there by Danting. Dizon. Draws a three-point shot. No good. Rebound there by Angeles. Kid Maglalang.
And he draws a foul. He will take 2 shots.
It's his opportunity to tie this ball game at 66. But take a look here.
Ayun.
JP Maglalang.
Kita mo yun, Blanca, pero nakuha ni Makapagal yung basket. On the other
Nag-bounce lang in sa board eh.
Oo.
But look at an easy basket for Sam De Jesus. As Kid Estalilia. Tuyong-tuyo na yung lalamunan ko dito, Ryan.
That's right. I need a drink.
First free throw is good for Kid Estalilia. As the whole crowd of APALIT is shouting. 2 and for Kid Estalilia.
Kayang-kaya.
A tied ball game here with 4 minutes and 33 seconds remaining.
Believe it or not, Penelope, this is just our second deadlock, 66 all.
You know this game, look at the future of the basketball players here in Pampanga.
Yes. Not only in Pampanga, but national basketball. They really love it.
A steal there. Almost a steal for Lendl Garcia, but they were able to put it back.
Pero
But a
naubusan na
shot
sila ng oras.
violation there
Yes.
for the side of APALIT and a substitution for JP Maglalang.
Magandang defensive rotation of Angeles, closing the shooters and also rotating from outside to inside.
Silvestre, actually Ryan now, Silvestre is back for
Oo.
JP Maglalang.
Kailangan nila yung inside intimidated dahil maraming mga puntos ng Angeles on this fourth quarter coming from inside.
You know, Ryan, di ba natawagan ng technical foul dito si JP Maglalang eh. It's a good call din for Coach Zaldi na hindi niya agad pinalitan. Ano?
Oo.
Inayaan niyang bumawi muna yung bata. But here, Kid draws a jumper.
Oh!
And that jumper is good for Estanilia. Balik sa Angeles ang Kalamangan. 68-66.
Top shot by Estalilia under duress. Just a few seconds on the shot clock.
A much needed jumper. 68-66. Kanina sila yung naghahabol. 3 minutes and 42 seconds. 68-66. As we can see here, almost a full blast here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. What a crowd. Take a look here. Kid Estalilia, 22 points for this ball game. Look at his drives. Sobrang easy lang eh for Kid Estalilia.
And this fall-away jumper.
His last shot before the timeout, the much needed 2-point shot for the side of Angeles City. As we can see here, Kid Estanilia showing an emotion right there. Lendl Garcia to Silvestre. Silvestre, that is short, still there, but a foul.
Will be called on Lendl Garcia.
A ball possession for Angeles City. 3 minutes and 27 seconds.
Oh, backcourt violation.
Nagmadali. He knew it. Kid Estalilia knew it na matatawagin siya eh. He's pointing out to his teammate.
Pero kung tumalon lang siya before that, before receiving the ball,
Take a look at the
oh, hindi
replay.
siya tumalon eh. Kung tumalon lang siya doon, that could have been a live play.
Ball possession for APALIT. Danting. What will Isaac do? A jumper, no good. In and out, but a rebounder by Silvestre. Danting passes to Garcia. Garcia passes back to Danting from way downtown. It draws out the rim, but still, a possession for APALIT. Silvestre,
Wow.
a block there. Montalvo with almost a putback there. A rebound there by Kent Montalvo. Si Kent na yung nagbababa dito ng bola.
Oo,
And he passes it.
kasi si Garcia eh, nahahang din na siya eh.
Nababantayan na kasi eh.
Oh!
Speaking of Lendl Garcia, medyo hindi natin siya naramdaman this fourth quarter, but that jumper ties this ball game at 68.
He's Mr. Clutch for nothing.
Totoo. minutes and 21 seconds. We're tied at 68. Walang kukurak mga kabalan. Kid Estalilia passes it. A nice basket! Bantay sarado na siya dun eh. Pero nakita niya dito si Sam De Jesus.
And we're now in the twilight zone.
Last 2 minutes, 70 to 68. Isaac Danting tries to drive. The bench of Angeles City is not happy with that call.
Because that particular situation, almost an offensive foul on the thing. But let's take a look at this.
That pass to Sam De Jesus makes an easy basket for the tall guy.
Fourth time around na ganyan na hindi na binaba ang bola. When he expect that pass to Estalilia, initya na lang ni De Jesus. He scored again.
Grabe kasi yung tiwala niya kay Sam De Jesus,
Yes.
knowing that Sam is an aggressive guy for Angeles City.
Now, babalik na dito Penelope si Khaled Macapagal, who have been an instrument on those rebounds ng third quarter. He's well rested.
Alam mo Ryan, itong si Coach Zaldi, ang dami niyang big guys eh.
Oo.
Kahit mapagod na mapagod yung mga sentro niya, may pamalit siya eh. A three-point shot for Lendel Garcia, still no good. Put back there for Estalilia. 1 minute and 30 seconds, lamang pa rin sila dito. A jumper, no good, balik sa kanya. What would Kid Estalilia do? Where will he go?
Oh.
That's no good for this time.
Oh, na-check na siya.
Danteng, a
Oh.
missed shot for Isaac Danteng.
Top miss.
You know, Isaac Danteng is known for that moves eh. Pero for this ball game, hindi masyadong pumapasok yung mga
Oo.
signature moves.
Babad na babad si Isaac.
45 seconds. Lamang pa rin.
No!
That's the second time that this Angeles City draws a buzzer beater 3-point shot, and that came from Sam De Jesus.
Big basket by De Jesus. With just a second to go on the shot clock, he drills it from the corner.
38 seconds remaining for this ball game. 73 to 68. You know, that yung misconnection nila kanina doon ni Estalilia, di ba? Pero binawi niya dito sa 3 points eh.
So ito, como fake ibig ito, Penelope. Ito, puso sa puso. Who had the most heart will win this ball game.
You know, 5 points lang eh. Ryan, we've witnessed a lot of games. Kahit 24 seconds, that 5 points, kaya pang habulan yan eh.
Strange things happen here in Delta Cup. I have seen it all, Penelope.
Knowing that the game of APALIT is very much familiar from their game last night against Bayong Porac. Take a look here, Kid Estalilia. An inbound here for the side of APALIT.
Crucial
Dizon.
possession.
This possession is very important.
Yes.
That is basket. Is good for Dizon. That's what I'm telling you.
At mayroon tayong game reset muna, Penelope, para sa ating mga viewers. So, both teams had one timeout apiece, and both teams in penalty. Napaka-importante yun. Kapag magfa-foul ang defensive team, automatic free throws for the offended party, Penelope.
That's why the penalties and the fouls talaga majority of the team nasa sidelines back. But before that, let's take a look at this. Replay there. That buzzer beater of Sam De Jesus.
Ice water in his veins. And on the other side, basket by Dizon.
A much-needed 2-point shot eh. Sabi ko sa'yo kanina, 43 seconds tayo eh. But then, let's...
Ulitin natin ha. One
ulitin
timeout
natin.
remaining. Yan.
One timeout remaining for both teams. 31.5 seconds.
At natitingnan natin ang team standings. Kung sakaling manalo ang APALIT, they will be number 1, 7 wins and 1 loss. Kapag ang Angeles naman ang mananalo, they will be on top of the team standings 6-0. So this is the battle of the top 2 teams in bracket A.
And if Angeles City wins, that make them still unbeatable in their bracket. As we can see here, Isaac Danting showing a little emotion at his tired. But then it's about a ball. It's all about basketball eh. Paguran.
O, eto na.
An important possession. Inbound for Angeles City. Kid Estalilia.
Oh,
Kumisigaw din yung APALIT eh. What will Estalilia do? Almost a steal for Lendel Garcia. No good.
it's a foul.
But
There's
a
a
foul
foul.
there for Isaac Danting with 13.9 seconds remaining. Let me remind you, Ryan, we have one last time out for both teams.
Yes.
And for sure, kapag pumasok tong mga free throws si Ice, tatawag ng timeout dito ang Angeles City.
It's a two-point game.
First free throw is good for Isaac Danting. A 2-point lead for Angeles City. Danting, what a comeback for him dito sa Delta Cup. 2-2 for Isaac Danting, and there we have it. As said, what I mentioned earlier, kapag pumasok ang dalawang free throw neto ni Ice, for sure, tatawag ng timeout dito si head coach John Ocampo.
And for sure, kapag mag-i-inbound ang Angeles City sa front court, if APALIT can get the steal, they need to foul immediately. And for sure, they're gonna foul not the guard, maybe the big guy. Para alam nila yung mga guards ng Angeles are good free throw shooters, but the big guys, they oftentimes nai-split nila yung mga free throws.
But then kanina nung na-foul si Ice, di ba? Binababa pa lang yung bola. So, there's a possibility that even their guards can be fouled at this time.
Correct. But the most important thing to APALIT is to get a steal right there and there.
As here, an inbound for Angeles City. Isa lang ang kalamangan ng Angeles City dito. 73-72. 13.9 seconds. A foul is a must for APALIT if they want to be ahead of this time. But a foul there
Yes, a foul on
for
Montalvo.
Montalvo.
And good thing, Naco is a 61% shooter, so a good foul to give.
You know, if you're on the side of APALIT, you don't want to try to contest on the defense of your opponent, of this Angeles City.
Yeah.
11.1 seconds with 2 free throw shots for Jo-Marie Naku. A wild crowd here. That goes out for Jo-Marie Naku. Nagsiselebrate dito ang APALIT.
And if in case Naco will make the second free throw, tatawag ang timeout ng APALIT.
To secure their last play for the last 11.1 seconds. But a sorry
good.
miss and a rebound there by Montalvo.
12 seconds to go.
Now 7 seconds.
No!
Almost there. A put back there by Lendel Garcia. What will he do? He goes to Montalvo.
The game is over! The game is over! Angeles wins!
Angeles City Red Warriors. That missed layup for Kent Montalvo must have given them the win, but the defense of Angeles City secures their win.
At kagaya na sinabi ko, Penelope, thank you so much. Well, noong November 5, I've covered the game between Porac and Lubao. And this game for Angeles and APALIT, I can safely say from the Kings broadcaster Grant Napier, if you don't like this, you don't like Delta basketball. Grabe! And this guy, our best player of the ball game, has been so successful in making the things happen. I can call him now the Kid Lightning, Kid Estrella. after scoring nothing in the first quarter, he made sure that in the second and third and fourth quarter, pinakita niya ang leadership. Final score natin, APALIT 72 and Angeles City 73, still with a 6-0 record. Woo! Interview muna natin na ating best player, si Kid Esarilla. Alam mo kami, napagod na kami sa kakomentary sa ingay na crowd na to, but Kid, pinakita mo ang puso ng Angeles down the stretch. You made some timely plays, time and again for Sam Jesus and for yourself. Saan mo nakuha yung lakas despite the crowd is against you?
Yung puso lang yung ginamit ko. Binigyan ako kumpiyansa ng coaches. Maging leader ako sa loob ng court kasi ako yung point guard. Kailangan din namin dumipensa dahil magagaling din yung mga kalaban at saka may puso din.
And of course, kung pupunta kayo sa playoffs, kung ganito ang laro ng Angeles, do you think that you can go all the way to the finals?
Siguro, meron kami mga pagkukulang. Yung mga pagkukulang lang namin yung ayusin namin, babaguhin namin yung mga mistake namin. Yun lang. Ensayo lang ng ensayo.
Alright, Mr. Kid Knightling. Para ka ng Paul Artali dito, si Kid Estalilla. Dahil ikaw ang best player of the ballgame, pwede ka na bumati at magpasalamat. Go ahead.
Binabati ko yung mga family ko, Estalilla, Nesir family, yung lolo ko, yung lola ko, yung girlfriend ko, si Vivian, yung family ko, si daddy, si mami, yung nagbigay sa akin ng mga shoes, yung tita ko, si Sabakan family, at saka yung mga coaches, EEG, ECP, Jasper MJ, yun lang, tsaka yung mga kasama ko dyan sa Pulong Maragul.
And one more thing I have to say, great defensive stance on the last second to distract the point guard of Papay. Congratulations, Kid Estalilla, best player of the ballgame. At dyan po, nagtatapos ang ating 5 games, 5 spectacular games as Angeles City now with a 6-0 record. APALIT, I love it, will drop to 6 wins and 2 losses. What a magnificent game it was. At kasama ko dito si Penelope. And of course, ang ating mga games natin sa linggo, I'll cover the first game, Santa Ana versus Florida Blanca. 11 o'clock is going to be Angeles City Red Warriors versus Level Up Lubao. 1 p.m. is Mabalacat City MCG Cares versus Bayong Pora. 3 p.m. is Juan Magalang versus Municipality of Arayat. At at 5 p.m., Wagwa Tulong-Tulong Tayo at Juan Sasbuan. In behalf of Direct Nomar Santiago, in behalf of Direct Billy, in behalf of Direct Mike Nanan, the hard-working men and women of SLA Sports Productions, at of course, kasama natin mga management, si Boss Lucky Chan, si Boss Ray Alo, and Coach Leo Sakar, Commissioner. In behalf of Penelope Wilhelmina, ako po ang nilingkod, Ryan Paro, saying, sports is life. Always use this for the glory of God. This is your Delta Cup 2023-24, a production of SLA Sports. Mula dito sa BREN Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, Maya Pabengin po, to God be the glory.